Hi, today I'm part of me Realme C51 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first open the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to the voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, you should click on the switcher, and after that we could see that the Hey Google feature is successfully enabled. If you wanna add your voice model assistant to recognize your voice, you should click here to voice model section, click to retain voice model and repeat after the assistant. So say okay, one more time. Say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. After that, just tap to finish, and now when we will say okay Google or hey Google, we could see that this option is successfully enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.